Federation build for Battle of Wolf 359. Going to use generic ships, generic captains. The idea being that no photon torpedoes use target lock to re-roll as many dice as possible. This setup gives me 12 attack dice. On the Klingons, again generic ships, however this time captains that allow me to re-roll dice at no cost of action. It's all inherent. Him there just cause I can. Worf's got one, and he allows me to start up battle stations. Again, going for target lock rerolls to maximise dice. This gives me 14 dice potentially. Dominion named ships with abilities, high captains with abilities, energy dissipator. No photon torpedoes on that, again re-rolls for the target locks. Go porters, 2 energy dissipators and photons, as the photons do more damage than primary weapon. The energy dampening token from both ships will mean that neither ship can get hit. Finally, Borg cube. What can you say? Using all the cards possible. It's one ship, it's got so much hull. Will it do it? Will it outlast? Will it have enough die to roll? Tests will need to begin.